Okay, so to keep this video short, I'm starting the video at the point where we have already added bases to our models, and I'm going to show you the feature how to correct those diagonal looking bases that you see on the screen. So if you want to correct this, before you build a base, we're going to go back, discard the base, go back to your check, and before you even go to that step in the first place, use this tool right here, okay, your orientation adjustment. Notice the line is not on the occlusal plane. That's why we're getting those angled bases. So if we use our plus minus in our Y dimension, we can adjust this occlusal plane. Okay? Now that is corrected. When we actually go, we're going to save that. We'll go to our adapt step. We're going to do our plane cut. We'll do the plane cut just on the mandible. And when we go to add our bases this time around, that orientation adjustment corrects that diagonal plane. So we've got a really clean base on the mandible, and we've got a much larger base in the maxilla, and that's because we did not trim the model. So you need to check your orientation adjustment to make sure the plane is at the occlusal plane, and also trim up your models using the plane cut or your free cut to make sure that your bases are not too large to waste time and resin when you're printing.